Okay, guys, good morning again. So, today we're going to be doing the same thing, kind of a reading log for a new article for class today. Same thing, you're going to have three questions based on the text, one quote sandwich slash races response, not a Big Mac, it's not too hard, just a short little paragraph with the quotes. Then at the last one, it's your own opinion. So, how is the experience different than Ramon Gil Navarro and his men? Does it give you any other ideas? So that's your own personal opinion. So getting to the article, you're going to go back to the California Gold Rush like you did. Make sure you spell California correctly, because if you spell it incorrectly, you will not find it. Once you get there, it may open you to where you were the Ramon Gil Navarro, but you're going to go back here, click it, and go up to where it says the letter 10th. It's not the Shirley Letters, it's not titled the Shirley Letters, but if you click the letter, the 10th, this one, letter the 10th, you open it up here, and it is from the Shirley Letters. So this is what's going to guide you to answer this for the time being. So I hope that helps. Good luck today, and happy Friday. Hope you have a great weekend.